Okay, so first thing first, I need to make these eyebrows disappear because, you know, skulls don't have eyebrows. And unfortunately, I didn't have any glue stick kicking around, so I really had to improvise by using my NYX Glitter Glue and some translucent powders that I have. And I just took a spoolie brush, ran it through my eyebrows, and just ran the glitter glue through my eyebrows as well. And I just had to make that work. I'm then going to take my Too Faced concealer and put that over my eyebrows as well, just so it can kind of fade more into my skin better. To set everything that I did, I'm just going to take my Mercier translucent powder in medium deep and just apply that on top. Next, I'm going to be basically outlining parts of the skull now. So I'm going to be doing my cheekbones. I'm going to do the frames of my teeth, and I'm also going to be carving out my eyes. Reason why I'm using a white pencil, it's just easier to wipe off if you make a mistake opposed to black. Also, sorry if I'm looking down a lot, guys, because I was looking at like a reference picture throughout this whole video just to make sure, you know, because I can't really visualize this on my own. I need to see something. Take some black paint, mark that in my teeth area just as a better guideline for the teeth. Now I'm going to take a different black paint that I have that's more opaque and just more pigmented, and I'm going to put that in the hollows of my cheekbones and basically fill that in. Also, I realized I didn't like how it was, like how I left it open, so I kind of like carved it in, as you can see there, to kind of round it out. Now I'm just going to clean that up and just kind of shape it out a bit more with a makeup wipe. So now I'm just doing a bit more detailing to the face or the skull. So I'm going to detail around my teeth area. I'm going to detail my cheekbone area. I also take a black eyeshadow from my Violet Voss palette, and I kind of place that shadow on top of the lines that I'm making now, and I kind of buff or blend that in just to add some more depth and shadows. I'm also going to take that black eyeshadow and kind of drag out the hollows of my eyes. I just didn't want it such a basic round circle. I kind of wanted just to drag it out. I'm going to place gemstones or rhinestones onto my teeth area, and to do that I'm using spirit gum. Spirit gum is basically like an adhesive, but mine sucked, so I kind of ended up using eyelash glue as well to stick everything on. And now I'm fixing my nose. I realized I didn't say it early on in the video when I did it, but yeah, I'm just making more of a higher point opposed to how, like, what's going on, because that's more so like a dog nose. Yes, my nose is looking a lot better now. Moving on to my eyebrow area, I'm just going to add more rhinestones to that. So I put more spirit gum and eyelash glue to do that, and I kind of just framed out like my brow bone area. And as you can see, I did like a mix of silver diamond gems with like a purpley diamond gem for a pop of color. Okay, and this is how we're looking like. We got the eyebrows going on and the lips done. Now I'm gonna move on to my neck. I'm basically gonna paint my whole upper half, and I'm gonna leave like a line, like an empty blank line, because I'm gonna make that my neck bone area. I'm gonna put more rhinestones there. And I'm literally painting everywhere. Like, we're putting this in my ears, in my hairline, on my shoulders. It's going everywhere. So my camera did die on me. I'm sorry, guys, but this is what I did off camera. So I put the rhinestones in my neck area, as you can see, and then I kind of took white paint and I kind of made the illusion of like a skeleton. Now I'm going in with my teeth, and I'm going to go in basically with white and highlight all over my face. So I'm starting off with my teeth. I'm going to go into my cheekbone area, also a bit into my forehead, and just wherever I feel needs white. Time for some glitter. So I put spirit gum on the cheeks of my area, and this is the technique, as you can see, I use to get that glitter onto my cheek without making such a mess. Okay, this is how she's looking. So I also put some blue and purple glitter in there too, just little specks of it. And I didn't like seeing how much my skin was showing here, so I just took some black eyeshadow and shaded that in. Okay, so add more to the look. I'm just taking this black flower veil, I guess you can say, just to add more pop to this look. Looking good, looking good. So now I'm just going to take my time just to detail everything, you know, just fix what I don't like or just add more to what needs, you know, some more oomph. That is it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry if the video was too fast. I enjoy doing this look. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you in my next video. And happy Halloween, guys.